good afternoon. Not a bad day of sawing, considering we had to get here this morning. It was raining really hard. Get the mill set up, do a good bit of mill maintenance. We had a couple things going on. Had to replace the lube tube for the blade. What else do we have to do? We had a spark plug that was kind of misfiring a little bit, so we seen about that. Thought a coil was going out, but I guess not. I think the plugs just need changing. But we sawed these up for a special project for the ruins, the tabby ruins in Talamato, McIntosh County. They're going to be using these red oak boards cut specific for what they needed to kind of brace up around the windows and brace up against the walls. It's sagging in some places, the old ruins are, so they're going to use these to kind of stabilize them, in an attempt to stabilize them anyway. So this is what we worked on today. We got it all sawed up in probably 3 hours once we got to work, so it wasn't bad. Tomorrow we have to cut some 12-foot long red oak, and also we got some pine coming up that we're going to be sawing for a few orders. White oak is typically a lot stronger and durable than red oak, but we just don't, the availability of the white oak is very limited. I don't cut much of that. So red oak it is. It'll last just as long, especially when it's up off the ground. Beautiful lumber.